In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a facial spa at home. The best part is it's under 10 minutes and it will keep your skin radiant. Hi Beauty Baddies, it's Raylan from Beauty Body, here to help you be the best version of yourself. Thank you so much for stopping by and visiting my channel. Please click the subscribe button below and the bell notification so you can be up on all of the videos that I will give to you. One of the best ways to keep your skin radiant and glowing for these spring and summer months is to use the products that I have here. Let's get started. There are 3 steps to this facial spa, and stay until the end for 5 additional tips to accentuate all of your beautiful skin. And I'm curious as to whether you go to a spa or you stay at home to do your facial spa. Comment spa if you like to go to the spa, or comment home if you like to do your facials at home. Step 1 is to cleanse your face. Now remove all of the makeup that you have throughout the day, or if you're doing this when you're first starting, I would recommend to clean your face just with normal soap and water. Step 2 is to use one of my absolute favorite products, the facial spa, which is very pocket-sized. Apply a generous amount of the conducive gel onto the palm of your hand and rub it in a circular motion, and apply to your face in a gentle upward motion, of course avoiding your eyes and mouth. To get the best results possible, your facial spa has 5 different settings. Hold the spa so the screen is facing you, and hold the selection button 4 different times until you get the display setting 4 on the channel. Touch the spa to your face and wait until there are 1, 2, or 3 beeps. Don't be afraid if the spa starts beeping every 10 seconds. It's supposed to, that means it's working. For 2 secret tips to get the most out of your spa, make sure that your fingers are placed on the back of the chrome, and also make sure that you're doing upward motion. The best part about this facial spa is that you can use it anywhere on your most troubled spots. So let's say for instance you have bags under your eyes like me, so you can use that a little bit more under your eyes. If you'd also like to work on your cheekbones, you can use that as well, or your jaw. To turn off the facial spa, simply press the button until the screen goes blank. Now you'll want to clean off the facial spa, but don't worry, it's very easy. Just use a damp cloth to take off any of the toxins that were found on your skin. Also use a damp cloth to take the conducive gel off of your face as well. Step 3 is to use a moisturizer. The moisturizer I use is Body Milk from Bath & Body Works. It is fragrance-free and it is hypoallergenic, so very sensitive, very great for your skin. And as you can see, this is the facial spa at home, do it yourself, and guess what? Everything is all natural. It's anti-aging, it makes you very radiant and vibrant. That is why I love these products, and I hope you find them very helpful as well. I'll put a link in the description below for all of the products. If you're curious and want to learn more about a do-it-yourself facial spa, I have 5 extra tips in the link in the description below on how you can make your skin more vibrant and radiant using all natural products. And I'm curious for the question of the day, what products do you use on your face? Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends so they can see how to do a home facial luxury spa. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to Raylan. That's me.